Best car buffers. Are you looking for the best car buffers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best car buffers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DEWALT DWP849X Variable Speed Polisher. The DEWALT DWP849X Buffer/Polisher is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professionals and DIYers working on automotive detailing, metal polishing, and surface finishing. Featuring a 12-amp motor, it delivers high-performance power with all ball-bearing construction, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. This buffer/polisher has a variable speed dial, allowing users to adjust speeds from 0 to 3,500 RPM for different applications. The soft start feature helps prevent swirl marks and allows for smoother operation. Additionally, the wool ingestion shield protects the internal components, extending the tool's lifespan. The ergonomic design includes a lightweight body and a rubberized grip for comfort and better control. The tool comes with a 7-inch and 9-inch backing plate, making it compatible with various pads for different polishing needs. The non-marring gear case cover prevents accidental surface damage, making it ideal for delicate finishes. A major highlight is the electronic module that maintains speed under load, ensuring consistent performance during extended use. The spindle lock allows for quick and easy accessory changes. The side and bail handle provide additional grip options, reducing fatigue during prolonged operation. This corded buffer/polisher offers continuous power without battery limitations, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need reliability. It is ideal for automotive polishing, marine applications, and metal finishing. Overall, the DEWALT DWP849X is a high-quality, heavy-duty tool with precision speed control, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a great investment for polishing and buffing tasks. Number 2. WN948 Variable Speed Polisher. The WN948 10-amp Variable Speed Polisher is a versatile and budget-friendly tool designed for automotive detailing, metal polishing, and surface finishing. It features a 10-amp motor, providing enough power for various polishing and buffing tasks while maintaining smooth performance. A key feature of this polisher is its variable speed control, adjustable from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, making it suitable for different materials and applications. The digital readout display allows users to monitor and set precise speeds for greater control and consistency. This ensures an even finish while minimizing the risk of damage to delicate surfaces. The 7-inch backing plate is compatible with a variety of pads, allowing users to switch between buffing, waxing, and polishing tasks easily. The hook and loop base makes pad changes quick and convenient. Additionally, the soft start feature prevents sudden jumps in power, reducing the chances of swirl marks or damage. Designed for comfort, the WN948 includes an ergonomic D-handle and a side handle, providing multiple grip positions to reduce fatigue during extended use. The lightweight body makes it easier to maneuver, while the durable construction ensures longevity. As a corded polisher, it offers consistent power output without worrying about battery life. It is ideal for professionals and DIYers looking for a reliable, affordable alternative to higher-end polishers. Overall, the WN948 is a powerful, user-friendly, and cost-effective polishing tool, featuring precise speed control, ergonomic design, and a digital display. It's an excellent choice for those who need a dependable polisher for automotive, marine, and metal finishing applications without breaking the bank. Number 3. Torq TORQ22D Variable Speed Polisher. The Chemical Guys Torq BUF502X Torq 22D Random Orbital Polisher is a high-performance dual-action polisher designed for professional detailing and DIY enthusiasts. It features a powerful motor and an oversized 21mm throw, allowing for efficient paint correction, polishing, and waxing with minimal risk of swirl marks or holograms. One of its standout features is the random orbital motion, which ensures a safe and smooth polishing experience, even for beginners. The variable speed control allows users to adjust speeds for different applications, making it ideal for removing scratches, swirls, and oxidation while maintaining a flawless finish. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable rubberized grip and a lightweight body, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The precision-balanced internal assembly ensures smooth operation with minimal vibration, providing better control over the polishing process. The Torq22D is compatible with a wide range of pads and features a quick-change backing plate system, making it easy to switch between polishing and finishing tasks. The progressive trigger offers precise speed control, allowing users to start slow and increase speed as needed. This corded polisher provides consistent power output, making it a reliable choice for professionals who need extended working time. It is ideal for automotive detailing, marine applications, and restoring painted surfaces. Overall, the Chemical Guys Torq BUF502X Torq22D is a powerful, user-friendly, and efficient random orbital polisher. Its large 21mm throw, variable speed control, and ergonomic design make it a top choice for those looking to achieve professional-level results with ease. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER WP900 Polisher. The BLACK+DECKER WP900 6-inch buffer polisher is a compact and user-friendly tool designed for automotive detailing, furniture polishing, and metal finishing. It features a random orbital motion, which helps reduce the risk of swirl marks while providing a smooth, even finish. Equipped with a 4,400 OPM (orbits per minute) motor, this polisher delivers consistent performance for waxing, buffing, and polishing tasks. The random orbital action ensures that users can achieve a professional-looking shine with minimal effort, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The lightweight design and two-handle grip provide enhanced comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. It comes with foam and wool bonnets, which allow for versatile applications, from applying wax to buffing surfaces. This corded polisher provides continuous power, making it reliable for long detailing sessions without worrying about battery life. The 6-inch pad size makes it well-suited for working on small to medium surfaces, such as cars, countertops, and furniture. While it lacks variable speed control, its one-speed operation makes it simple and easy to use, especially for beginners. However, it may not be powerful enough for heavy-duty paint correction or deep scratch removal. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER WP900 is an affordable, lightweight, and beginner-friendly buffer polisher, perfect for waxing and polishing vehicles, furniture, and metal surfaces. Its random orbital motion, ergonomic design, and included bonnets make it a great choice for those looking for a hassle-free and effective polishing tool for home and garage use. Number 5. Porter Cable 7424XP Variable Speed Polisher. The Porter Cable 7424XP 6-inch orbital polisher is a versatile and reliable tool designed for automotive detailing, woodworking, and metal polishing. It features a 4.5 amp motor with a random orbital motion, making it an excellent choice for waxing, buffing, and light paint correction without the risk of swirl marks or burns. One of its standout features is the variable speed control, adjustable from 2,500 to 6,800 OPM (orbits per minute). This allows users to customize the speed for different applications, whether it's applying wax at low speeds or polishing at higher speeds for better correction. The random orbital action ensures safe and smooth operation, making it beginner-friendly while still offering the performance needed by professionals. It is compatible with a 6-inch backing plate, allowing for easy pad changes for different detailing tasks. The lightweight and ergonomic design includes a removable side handle, providing better control and reducing fatigue during extended use. The durable ball-bearing construction enhances longevity, making it a long-lasting investment. This corded polisher ensures continuous power, making it a great option for longer detailing sessions without the hassle of recharging. It's ideal for removing scratches, swirls, and oxidation while providing a professional quality shine. Overall, the Porter Cable 7424XP is a powerful, well-built, and easy-to-use random orbital polisher. Its variable speed control, ergonomic design, and durable construction make it a top choice for automotive, marine, and home detailing projects.